Greetings, aspiring entrepreneurs. Today, we're delving into a lucrative avenue of income generation, crafting captivating real estate advertisements using Adobe Premiere Pro. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to create visually stunning, attention-grabbing ads ranging from 30 seconds to a minute in duration. But before we dive in, do us a favor and show some love by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for a wealth of insightful content. Step 1. Crafting your Premiere Pro project. Let's kickstart your journey to ad creation by firing up Adobe Premiere Pro, regardless of the version you possess. Begin by initiating a new project and specifying its saving location. Our aim here is to curate ads showcasing various properties, so let's first scout for suitable background music. Head over to pixabay.com. A treasure trove of copyright-free music, and select a cheerful beat to complement your visuals. This one looks good. Let's download it. Import this music into Premiere Pro and proceed to pxels.com to procure high-quality stock photos and videos of diverse properties. Search for houses. Let's download different footages. I'm passing this cause my net was slow and it took a lot of time. Once downloaded, import these assets into your project. Arrange the videos in sync with the chosen music beats. I have to scale down the footages because I was making video in Ultra HD and the footages are in 4K. Let's remove the remaining music . Let's add some text. Add a little bit fade out to music and footage. Infusing them with text overlays highlighting enticing offers and key selling points. With a blend of visuals and text, your ad is primed for the next stage. And here our final video is ready. Let's export it. Just press Ctrl+M. A new pop-up window. Click on it and confirm that H.264 mode is selected. Now select location for the video where we want it to save. And here we go. Step 2. Outreach to real estate agencies. Now that your masterpiece is ready, it's time to unlock its earning potential. Launch Google Maps and scour for real estate agencies, either locally or in specific regions of interest. For instance, if targeting New York, search for real estate agencies in New York. Once identified, select a prospective agency and check for contact details, particularly email addresses. You can get these addresses from their given websites. Just open the website and move to the Contact Us page. Here is the given email. Copy these addresses and draft personalized emails introducing your services. Craft a compelling subject line like, "To elevate your business," and articulate a persuasive pitch showcasing how your ad creation expertise can enhance their marketing efforts. Attach your sample ad video to illustrate your capabilities effectively. Remember, personalization is key to forging meaningful connections in the business realm. And here we go. Scaling your outreach efforts. Now, picture this. By sending out 15 tailored emails daily, you're potentially reaching out to 600 agencies monthly. Statistically, even a modest response rate can translate into significant opportunities. Imagine, out of these, 50 agencies express interest and 20 to 30 onboard as clients. The possibilities for growth are limitless, with diligent outreach efforts yielding fruitful collaborations and lucrative projects. And there you have it. Experiment with different visual elements and storytelling techniques within Premiere Pro to captivate your audience and elevate property listings. Stay tuned for the upcoming installment, where we'll learn intricacies of running ads on Facebook and Instagram, unlocking even greater marketing potential. If you found this guide valuable, don't hesitate to show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement fuels our mission to empower aspiring creators like yourself. Until next time, take care and happy crafting.